In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these WASSCE math problems under number basis. As usual, I will be using the scientific calculator to solve most of the problems we encounter here, because such calculator is allowed in your WASSCE math and it will help you save lots of time, particularly when it comes to objective aspects of your WASSCE math. Okay, so let's get started. Let's bring the calculator and solve this question 1. It's actually very easy. So for this question 1, it says convert the decimal number 89 to a binary number. So decimal is actually base 10. Okay, so this question says, in another way you can interpret it is convert 89 in base 10 to a number in base 2, that's binary number. To do this, the first thing to do, as usual, is to reset this calculator to put it in default mode. To reset, press shift button 9, full instructions, press straight, press record and press record again. Okay, so we are good to go. Now go to mode. Under mode, option 4 is for base. Now we want to convert this 89 to binary. So this is decimal, showing that by default it is in base 10. So all you need to do is to put 89 here, press equal to. So to convert it to binary, that's base 2. When you check here on top of this lock button, you will see binary, bin. It stands for binary, so press it, so it will convert to base 2. So the value is what? 1011,001. So the right option will be 101. So it's option A. Okay, so option A is the right option from what we have here. 1011,001. So that's option A, guys. As simple as this. So let's solve the next question, question 2. It says convert 35 base 10 to a number in base 2. Still the same approach. Let's bring a calculator. Okay, so let's wipe this, guys. Let's go back to decimal, that's base 10. Press this S square button. Alright, so 35 base 10, press equal to. Now to put it in base 2, press this lock button again. So this is the value in base 2. We have it to be 100011. Okay, so 10011. The right option here is also option A. Alright, so that's it for this question. Let's go to the next one, question 3. So it says the sum of this and this in base 2 is this. Find the values of m and n. Okay, also very simple. Let's do this with the calculator. So let's bring it. Alright, so for this question, this is in base 2. So let's wipe this. So to add what we have there, this will be 11011. Okay, plus you have to make sure that it's in base 2 binary. We have 1111151. okay, plus we have 1, so 40000. So this is what we have here. Press equal to see our m and n respectively. So we have the output to be 101010. So from here our m is 0. From the output we have here, for this output our m is 0. Okay, then our n is 1. So when m is 0, n is 1. Let's check. When m is 0, n is what? 1. So the right option is option B. Okay, so it's as simple as this, guys. Let's look at the next question, which is this one. So it says which of the following numbers is a perfect cube? Okay, to solve this, guys, let me show you can do the calculator. Let's break it. So for this question, let's go out of this place. This is not under number base, but let's just solve. Let me show you can do it. So press mode, go for 1. So let's check the cube root of option A and see if we're going to have an integer. All right, not as an output and not a value that has points or in fraction form. Okay, so cube root, to bring out cube root, press shift this button. So cube root of 1728 as a perfect cube, basically. Let's take it 12. Okay, so this shows us that option A is the right answer. Let's check. Let's see if you can get another integer. Let's check option B, 350. C points. It can be option B. What of option C? We have 950 there. No points. Even option D will still be points. So guys, the right option is option A. That's the only option that gave us an integer 12 that didn't have point attached to it. That's what it means by this question. Okay, perfect cube. So 1728 equals 12 as a perfect cube. Alright, so in other words, when you do 12 times 12 times 12, you get back to option A. See, so that's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says find this expressing the answer in base 2. So guys, before I solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. But one more thing guys, I have a separate channel called Casio Calculator Tutor. So in that channel I have a couple of videos that I've done number based deeper problem solving them using the scientific calculator. I highly recommend that you guys should check that channel out. I'm going to leave the link to the channel in the description of this video below. When you click on the link, it will take you to my Casio Calculator Tutor channel. When you get there, you see a playlist of WASSCE Maths videos. I've done about 100 videos on WASSCE Maths I solve using the scientific calculator. This is what I'm practicing with. Go through those videos, it will equip you the more to, you know, be able to attempt question you will see on number based on how you can solve it with a calculator. So let's solve this question. Let's bring a calculator. So for this question, it will be, let's go back to base option 4. Okay, put it in binary, press this log button. So it's not in binary. Now how you can represent this is, this means 1 0 y 0 in base 2 times 1 0 1. So that's how you can represent it on this calculator. Press equal to, output is what, 11001. So we have it to be 11001. The right option is option C. That is for this question. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following correctly express 48 as a product of prime number. So guys, basically in solve this question, you have to know what a prime number is. A prime number is simply a number that cannot be divided by any other number except itself and 1. Note that 2 is the only even number that is considered a prime number. So on these options we have 8 is not a prime number, 8 is an even number. Then 4 is not a prime number, 4 is an even number. That means 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. So from what we have here, the right option in this question will be option D, which is this 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Let's punch in a calculator. It's going to give us 48. Let's verify. So let's go out from this place. We press 1. So when you check 2 times 2, basically 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, this is 16. Okay, so 16 times 3 will give us 48. You see? So the right option is option D. That's it for this question. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says if m 5 base 10 equals this value, find the value of m. Okay guys, for this kind of problem you can also do it with a calculator. I'm going to show you now. Let's make a calculator and solve this last problem. Okay, so for this problem, let's go back to base mode, press mode option 4. Okay, so now we are going to be checking each of the options to see the one that when you substitute it as the value of m and change it to base 2, if you're going to have this value we have as base 2, 1001011 base 2. So let's begin with option A. When m is 7, that will be 75. Okay, to convert it to base 2, press this log button. That's what we have. We have exactly. So guys, the right option is option A. So we have 1001011 base 2. Exactly, it's as simple as the life is easier with this calculator. Okay, so this is basically how I can do this. No need checking option B, C, and D, but feel free to check. We will not get the right answer, I'm sure of that. The right option is option A. So guys, this is basically how you can deal with problem involving number base using this Casio calculator, scientific calculator for your WASSCE Maths. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you are part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you excel in your external exams like your WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Also ensure that you check out my other channel, Casio Calculator Tutorial channel, where you see more videos on number based, how you can solve them using the scientific calculator. I will leave the link once more in the description of this video below, so check it out, click on it, I will take you to that channel and you'll be glad you did. Alright, so having known this, don't forget to, once you are done, just press shift button 9 for the instructions, press 3, press record and press record again. Alright, so now click on the next screen and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.